In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the ChatGPT Chrome extension. This extension can be a fantastic tool to enhance your browsing experience and give you quick access to AI assistance right within your browser. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by getting your Chrome browser open. If you have it pinned on your taskbar, just click on it. If not, you can find it in your Applications folder or Start menu. Once it's open, you'll want to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into your search bar, or simply going directly using the URL if you prefer that approach. Now when you're in the Chrome Web Store, look to the top left corner where you'll see a search bar. This is where we'll type in what we're looking for. Go ahead and type in ChatGPT extension and hit enter. It might take a moment, but soon enough you'll see a list of results pop up. Among these listings, you want to search for the one developed by OpenAI. This is crucial as it ensures you're downloading the official version of the extension, which provides the functionality and security you're looking for. Once you find it, click on it to open its dedicated extensions page. Now that you're on the extensions page, look for a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that button. You'll notice a pop-up appears asking for your confirmation to add the extension. This is a standard safeguard, and it will usually list the permissions the extension requires. Take a moment to review these permissions carefully. It's always good practice to ensure you are okay with the level of access the extension will have before you proceed. If everything looks good and you feel comfortable proceeding, click the Add Extension button. Once you click that, Chrome will begin downloading and installing the extension automatically. It can take just a few seconds, but be patient. When the installation is complete, you'll see a little notification in the top right corner of your browser. In addition, a small ChatGPT icon will now appear right next to your address bar, and that's where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on this icon. It might prompt you to log in with your OpenAI account credentials if you're not logged in already. If you have an account, simply input your details. If you don't have an account, you might want to create one now. It's a straightforward process. Once you've logged in, you'll be all set to start using the ChatGPT extension. From now on, you can easily access AI assistance directly from your browser, whether you're writing emails, conducting research, or just exploring ideas. It's a fantastic way to make your workflow more efficient and to get instant support when you need it. And while you're using the extension, if you ever find that you need to manage or remove it, maybe you want to try a different one or just don't need it anymore, it's really simple. Just head to the Chrome menu by clicking on those three dots in the top right corner of your browser. From there, select Extensions. You'll see a list of all the extensions you've installed, and from this page you can make any adjustments you need. I really hope that this tutorial has made it easier for you to install the ChatGPT Chrome extension and that you find it useful for your tasks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and comment below to share your experience. Happy browsing!